news coming on the broadcast, visuals on your screen. Sasikala has arrived at the MGR Memorial. Getting you visuals first on Republic TV. Sasikala has arrived to pay homage to the late leader. You can see how people are felicitating Sasikala upon her arrival. Her visit has sparked speculations of her re-entry in politics. Once again, yesterday she had visited the memorial of late Jayalalitha at Marina Beach. Today she is visiting the MGR Memorial on a day when AIADMK celebrates the golden jubilee of the founding of their party. Sasikala receiving bouquets of flowers from her supporters at the MGR Memorial. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Apurva. Apurva, looking at the massive support for Sasikala as she pays homage to MGR.
Well, that's right. As you can see, the AIADMK party flag has been unfurled here by VK Sasikala at the MGR Memorial in T Nagar, where we are at. And you can also see how cadres have in fact gathered here with music and several other festivities that is ongoing ahead of VK Sasikala arriving here. In fact, she is just a few minutes away from unveiling the plaque at the Memorial House, wherein the plaque that she will be inaugurating states that VK Sasikala, the General Secretary of AIADMK, will be unveiling this 50th Foundation Day celebrations here. Definitely the plaque that as well controversial at best, because VK Sasikala, remember, is the ousted General Secretary of AIADMK, and now with her unveiling the plaque there, not only can you see her smiling, but because you can also see several cadres there who are thrilled to see VK Sasikala there at the MGR Memorial House here. Definitely a moment that will be stuck in time here for the 50th celebrations for the AIADMK party, because as you can see, amidst celebrations and several cadres of AIADMK and AMMK there celebrating VK Sasikala coming. There are in fact slogans saying long live VK Sasikala, long live Chinnamma. Remember, VK Sasikala is also fondly known by cadres and addressed as Chinnamma as well, and that is a visual that you can see of VK Sasikala that unveiling the plaque that marks the 50th celebration day there for the foundation for the AIADMK. It is one important moment that you can see that is happening here at the MGR Memorial House. VK Sasikala there, as you can see clearly, where she is paying her respect at the MGR Memorial here in T Nagar, and definitely it is a scene that we will be seeing, because the plaque there, remember, reads VK Sasikala, who is the AIADMK General Secretary, is unveiling the plaque as well.
You can see visuals on your screen of VK Sasikala unveiling the plaque with her name engraved on it as the General Secretary of the party. However, she does not hold any position in the party yet. The move has, in fact, irked the AIADMK leaders who will be arriving in a short while from now at the MGR Memorial. We're looking at a mega face-off between EPS, OPS and VK Sasikala, as, in a sense, many politicians say that she's trying to reclaim the legacy of late Jayalalitha. Yesterday we saw massive support for Sasikala at the Jaya Memorial. Today, a sea of supporters are thronging to MGR Memorial, where VK Sasikala unveiled the plaque right now. Apurva joining me on the broadcast with more details on ground.
Founding member of of AIADMK, Dr. MGR as well.
VK Sasikala there garlanding the bust of late MGR.
There is VK Sasikala following this unveiling of the plaque as well as paying her respects to Purachi Thalaivar MGR. VK Sasikala there will also be moving towards and unveiling a book that has been written where it is titled My Memories with Jayalalitha and MGR as well. And that is a book unveiling ceremony that will take place here shortly. VK Sasikala there, who is yet again, as you can see, from the fandom and from the music and the celebrations ongoing. Definitely it is a scene that we are looking at. Remember, this is the 50th founding celebration day that is being marked here at the AIADMK's party office. And even as AIADMK party has time and again clearly mentioned that VK Sasikala is an ousted member and she no longer belongs anywhere near the party. You can see the carpool that is ongoing there, even as VK Sasikala is arriving down there. VK Sasikala will be going ahead where she will be unveiling the book release there, following which she will also be going to the MGR Memorial there at Ramapuram as well. Definitely an important set of events that is ongoing, because ironically, remember, AIADMK's co-conveners, EPS and OPS both there are at MGR Memorial and will be having celebrations. The party, entire party will be having celebrations marking the 50th founding day there. And now VK Sasikala gladly smiling. You can see definitely there is a kind of happiness there in her eyes, even as these celebratory moments are taking place. The visuals that you can see of VK Sasikala, the former General Secretary of AIADMK, moving for the next ceremony, which will be her unveiling the book that has been launched titled My Memories with MGR. And definitely this will be one event that will earmark what will be the next set of events that will be ongoing. Christine.
All right, so that's the former AIADMK General Secretary VK Sasikala, who had earlier visited the memorial of the late party chief and Chief Minister Jayalalitha that happened on Saturday, and today she's at the memorial of MGR, the party founder there in Chennai. And, Apurva, I beg your pardon, will it be now seen as a willingness when it comes to VK Sasikala, or Chindamma, as she's fondly called there, as a comeback to politics? Because at that point, when the elections were held, it wasn't her party there who was very willing to actually take part in the election process. Right now, what are we seeing? What are the indications? Apurva.
Well, Amita, definitely you can see, we here at the MGR Memorial, and she's just, VK Sasikala has just gone inside where she will be unveiling the book as well. But definitely, if I can just ask my video journalist to pan to the other side, you can see the amount of cadres who have gathered here offering their support to VK Sasikala as well. And, this is not just a couple of numbers that we are seeing, but also massive number of cadres who have arrived here. In fact, Amita, you can just see, this is the plaque that has been unveiled by VK Sasikala here. And as you can see, it reads that she, the General Secretary of AIADMK, has unveiled the fifth plaque that marks the 50th day, 50th founding day celebrations here at AIADMK. Definitely, it is going to be one such the point that we are looking at, because AIADMK has time and again reiterated that VK Sasikala no longer is welcome to the party. But on the other side, we are seeing several people who are eagerly addressing her and saying that there is something when she comes here. Definitely numbers do not lie, as we can see, and with her already having made an an announcement saying she no longer will be entering into politics. Now with her here at the founding day celebrations, both yesterday at Amma Memorial and MGR Memorial, as well as today at the MGR Memorial here and shortly at Ramapuram as well, where she will be going to. It will not only see us holding significance, but it will also point out and question the number one question that will arise from this will be what will be her next move, because remember, even as she had declared a couple of months back that she no longer wants to be a part of politics, yesterday in her statement that she had made at the former Tamil Nadu Chief Minister and her close friend J. Lalitha's memorial was that yes, definitely MGR and Jayalalitha will guide the AIADMK party to betterment, is what she had said. She also said and believed that this will be even more improvement for the party following this day onwards. Amita.
Apurva, what happens next from here on? Because, even what is being said so far, that she will also be meeting the party cadres there, and she has several other meetings also lined up when it comes to in Ramanathapuram and in Tirunelveli. So what has she been saying to the party cadres? How is she exactly boosting their morale?
Ever since her release from the Bengaluru Parapanagaram jail, where she had been serving sentence for the last 4 years, VK Shashikala has been on the sidelines, been conversing with several AIADMK cadres as well. She has been writing to them, she has been in conversation with them via telephonic conversation, and now even as we are learning, sources state that there is yet another tour that she is planning. In fact, she has not been one to shy away from executing her plans there, and she has not only stated that she will be touring and meeting cadres of AIADMK and AMMK following this, but she's also stated that she will be on a...
All right, we're just going to take a look at those pictures there, Apurva, because at the MGR Memorial there in Chennai, and those first pictures that are playing right here on Republic as we are getting you live updates there, Sasikala being flanked by her team of supporters there. And yesterday she was also at the memorial of the late Chief Minister Jayalalitha, and it was an emotional moment there for Sasikala, because this is being said and rather being indicated that is it really her willingness now to return to party politics, because it is now being said her last visit to the memorial, that was in around 2017, before she had surrendered herself as a convict in the disproportionate assets case. And at this point, it shows a lot of significance there, as the AIADMK has already begun with the celebrations of the 50th anniversary of the party's foundation, and she is at the memorial of the party founder and former Chief Minister MGR as well, because Sasikala's visit is, we're looking at a very charged environment there, and she is accompanied by a sea of supporters there. She has been constantly in touch with many of her supporters there, followed by the followers there who've been holding flags of the AMMK2, the political faction that was founded by her nephew. And at this point, we are looking at those pictures there, because it is Sasikala this time who is grabbing all the headlines there, because she was also at the memorial of the late Chief Minister Jayalalitha, right now at the memorial of MGR.